With the iPhone 17, Apple has introduced the first smartphone capable of accepting both timecode and Genlock. In our opinion, of course, this is a feature way more significant than anything about image quality or so. Let's take a look how this works. The iPhone 17 uses the MIDI timecode standard transmitted via a USB-C cable. Conveniently, all of our Lockit boxes already support MIDI timecode. To get it, don't connect the cable to the regular 5-pin ports, but use our USB-C port. You can connect a Lockit Bluetooth, a Lockit or a NanoLockit via any standard USB-C cable and connect it to your iPhone. Okay, now let's open the Final Cut Camera app and go to the settings. Here we have in the Preferences tab the option Timecode, and there you choose External Source. And then you will see that automatically ambient device is recognized as the external source and the timecode is picked up automatically. That's nothing else to do. It's indicated that it works via the green arrow here next to the TC sign. Just one important note here, make sure the frame rate of your iPhone matches the frame rate set on your Lockit. Alright, and then to the next topic, Genlock. If you need a quick refresher on the differences between timecode and Genlock, we put a link to a dedicated video in the description. To Genlock your iPhone for 3D rigs, for virtual production, for live concerts, you additionally need the Blackmagic Camera Pro Dock. And you need 2 cables running from the Lockit to your Pro Dock. The first one is a timecode cable, LTC-OUT. The other one is a sync cable, it's called sync-out. Make sure to connect the sync cable to the sync port of the Lockit, and on the Pro Dock side it goes to Genlock in. The timecode cable of course goes to timecode in. Note that only the Lockit and the Lockit Bluetooth are capable of outputting both timecode and Genlock. The Genlock output needs to be enabled in the display menu of the Lockit or via the Lockit remote app if you use our Lockit Bluetooth. As a sync setting, select 25p, or the p equivalent of your frame rate, to enable the tri-level sync output of your Lockit. By the way, in case you wonder, Genlock and sync refer to the same signal in this case and are often used synonymous. You know that the Genlock works if the LED next to the Genlock in is white instead of red. And now, from the Pro Dock, you see a USB-C cable connection to the iPhone. Okay, now let's see how it works in the camera apps. The Genlock works for both the Blackmagic Camera app and the Final Cut Camera app. In the Blackmagic Camera app, you'll need to configure 2 things. Let's start with timecode. You go to the settings and in the accessories tab, you select Blackmagic Camera Pro Dock. And there you go to the timecode source and select BNC. For Genlock it's a little different. Go to settings and then camera. And here you select as a reference source external. When everything is set up correctly, you'll see a ref indicator for Genlock and an EXT indicator for timecode in the camera display right over the timecode. Yeah, that's all there is to do. If you have any question, drop them in the comments or contact our team directly via support@ambient.de. Stay tuned and in sync.